Hi guys! In previous lesson we were connecting material design to our application. So we have material button here, and next what we are going to do, for sure, commit our changes. Add material design. Commit it. Okay, and now let's start from this part, from Navbar. So I'm going to add new model, which is toolbar model. Mat toolbar model, and for sure we need to add it in import and in exports. And now we already can use it in our app component, app model, as we are importing it here. Okay, and let's go to app navbar, and here we will put all this part in toolbar. And to save our time we can go to Angular material design, material Angular IO, and go to components, tool, and we have here example, and we have also here API, which models should be imported and which is selector. Okay, let's go to example, and we can just take this part and put in our application. So taking this and moving here, and we need to have only one row, so we don't need multiple rows, and we will move it here, and let's replace A with button. It will look better. Mat button, and for all of them. Okay, and now we can go to our page and see which kind of errors we have. Okay, sorry. We need to close properly. Perfect, we have already navbar, and let's making it more looks better. We don't need this button here already, and we have up navbar, and we have component. And let's do some custom CSS and put it example spacer, and it should be flex 1@1 auto. We will put here span to have our class which we defined, example spacer, and here we will have Angular CMS title. Also, let's put here example icon and put padding 0.14 pixel. Okay, and we have class example spacer CSS. Okay, and let's correct this, and we will have this part at the right. Cool. So now we have home page, we have login, article, and admin. Perfect. And also let's put a router link to this part. Angular CMS. Okay, login page, article page, and admin. Perfect. Okay, and now let's move all this part to right corner. We will do it in this way. So let's move this part here. It's end and under condition. And condition will be ng if not a user. So if user is not logged in, we have login button, and the login button will open AF service on click. AF service, and let's check which function we have. Okay, login with Google. Also, instead of this button, we will have a menu. So to create a menu, let's go here and find an example. So example is something like this, and we need just to take this part and put it here. So if user is logged in, we're putting button which is showing user name, and it can be span, and we are putting image here. So this image which we have, we will put here, and let's put a class profile image, and for profile image we will have custom CSS with height 13 pixel and weight again 13 pixel. Let's go back, and we have a button. Let's remove this part. Okay, and button is triggering menu with menu ID, and it contains some icons. Okay, so for sure we need to go to material models and add matte icons and matte menu. So we are doing everything which is required here. Import matte menu module from Angular material model, and also we need the icons. Going to API, taking icons, and we need to add in imports and in exports. Okay, so let's check it, and we need to move this part here, and let's say logout. Okay, login and logout. And let's change this to just a button. Okay, hello Samuel Ivezan. Here we are. We have menu working. Okay, and to have icons we need to import them in index.html. So let's go to Google Angular material icons link, and we should have it somewhere here. Okay, link on Google APIs icon family material icons style sheet. Let's see. Perfect. And I would like to have it not over my button and more down, so I can do something like this. Here we are doing X position equal to after and Y position equal to below. Let's see. Yes, and to have it working we need also add overlap trigger equal to false. Perfect. And we can do logout, can do login. Here we are. We have application toolbar, and for sure everything is working as expected. And let's replace these icons. So to replace them we need to find some other icons, and we can do material IO icons. And here we can search existing icons, and here I would like to have icons more close to title. So for logout we can search some icon, for example exit, and we can see this part, exit to app, and we can take this part and put it here. And let's see, logout. Okay, and it will be better to put here account, and we don't need second button, and account button will be something like this, account circle. Let's see. Perfect. We have account and we have logout. And let's put here settings, and also let's put it disabled. So we are going to menu, example, and it just place it disabled. Logout and login again. Perfect. In next section we will put all these separately for administrator and for user. So we will separate everything. We will have administrator module and front-end module, and we will have separated app navbar for admin and separated navbar for front-end, because there should be a different. And for administrator we will have some other layout, and for front-end some other layout. And even we can import material models which we need to import in administrator part, and we will have material model for front-end part. And after having all this, we will start creating data model, and administrator will be able to edit this model and user will see all this. So see you soon on next tutorial. Bye.